Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to fix a disabled iPhone. Whenever you put the wrong passcode, your iPhone will be disabled. So it's telling me to try again, iPhone unavailable, try again in 15 minutes. So I have to do it again in 15 minutes. If it's still wrong, my phone will be disabled completely. iPhone is disabled. When you get this, it's easy to fix. Today, I'm going to show you how to put your iPhone in recovery mode, and I'm going to show you how to fix this problem in a computer. So you need a computer and the latest version of iTunes. So it depends on the iPhone you have. I have an iPhone 10R. If you have a different iPhone, there are different ways to put your iPhone in recovery mode. So I'm going to put more details in the description below the video, just to show you how to do that on your iPhone. So for my iPhone 10R, I'll be using the volume up down buttons and the power button. So I will just, if you have an iPhone 10R, press and release the volume up, then down, press and hold the power button. So let's go. Press and release, press and release, press and hold. Keep holding the power button even if the Apple logo appears on your iPhone screen. Don't release. Keep on holding. Perfect, until you get this. Once you get this, just release the power button. Now I'm gonna go on my computer and I'm gonna show you how to restore your iPhone to fix the problem. So this is how it looks. Once you put your iPhone in recovery mode, you will get this window on your computer. And of course, your iPhone is connected to a computer. And you will see this. Two options, update or restore. Just press restore and be patient because it's going to take a while, at least 30 to 45 minutes to completely restore your iPhone. And you will have to set it up again. So I'm going to press restore and I'm going to share my iPhone screen later just to show you that the problem is resolved. As you can see, the restore is running now. It will take from 30 to 45 minutes. You just be patient. So as you can see, immediately the Apple logo will appear on your iPhone. Don't touch your iPhone. Just let your iPhone finish the restore. So as you can see, my phone has been restored through iTunes in my computer. So you just choose the language, choose your country. Set up manually. And you choose your Wi-Fi. Enter your password, your Wi-Fi password. Press next. So I'm gonna enter my iCloud. Press next. Continue. No, I don't want Face ID for now. Create a passcode. I just put 11111. Make it easy. I don't want to have the same problem again. So use anyway. 1111. Make it easy. Continue. Set up later. Continue. Share audio recordings, not now. Set up later. Share with Apple, don't share. Continue. Continue. Perfect. It's all done. Now I have access to my phone. I just need to be careful next time. Always write down your passwords, your passcodes, and just put them in a safe place to avoid these problems in the future. So that's it, guys. That's how it works. Please subscribe, leave your comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.